guys, I'm here with an unboxing and full review of this absolutely beautiful rechargeable lamp. Yeah, that's not only a normal rechargeable table lamp, it's super sturdy, it's even waterproof, so you can not only use it here in the office, in your bedroom or living room, you can even use it, for example, outside on your porch. The large 5000 milliamps battery is rechargeable within only 4 to 6 hours, and then it can last for up to 72 hours. We have also some really special features which you can read here. We have the very efficient, very bright LEDs, and we have not only a simple lithium-ion battery here inside, but a polymer battery which is much more temperature resistant. And the light comes also with a very high CRI of more than 90, which is also really important. So we know that we have a really good quality light. Yeah, so the specs are already pretty impressive. So let's see what we really get here inside. And so here's what we get. Everything comes nicely protected. That's all super important. By the way, here I have the Satin Nickel lamps as a tool set. And so you can see we can just take them out. They are fully prepared, fully assembled and already pre-charged, but of course highly recommended to give it a full charge anyway. Yeah, the lights are absolutely awesome, beautiful, stylish, and we get even two charging cable, modern USB-A to USB-C, and because they are waterproof, also the charging port is water protected. And of course we want to see the light from these lamps, not from the ceiling light. So I've turned it off, and now we can turn on these lights. We just push here on top, goes into cold white, something like daylight. We push again, goes into warm light, but of course it's very difficult to catch it from the camera. And we push again and it goes into some kind of mixed light. I mean mixed regarding the color temperature. I would say that's a very comfortable light. It's also absolutely not flickering, and what's important of course is that we can also dim it. So you can see I can fully dim it down, so it's just illuminating here a little bit, and when I push and hold it goes up slowly to the highest brightness. And the cool thing is I can even charge it and have it illuminated, so you can see the blue light indicating that it's charging. What's also very important that we can easily move them without having to fear that we accidentally touch the sensor area. So I've turned on both of them. Now you can see they are fully illuminating my desk, and when I touch here on top they will turn off. Super convenient. On, different color temperatures, and off. And so I think with these 3 different color temperatures and a huge dimming range, this can fit pretty much everywhere, really, from office, living room, bedroom, and even for a romantic dinner inside or even outside. And you don't even have to be worried about a couple of raindrops. And this is as beautiful as it gets. Yeah, I think I've never seen such beautiful rechargeable lamps. Really, really beautiful. And underneath we have even these soft rubber pads for a safe stand and also preventing from scratches on your sensitive surfaces. And you can also feel while lifting up that they are really solid made, and you don't have to be worried that they are tipping over with just a little bit of wind. That's definitely not going to happen. Yeah, there's absolutely no question. These are the best rechargeable table lamps I've ever seen. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check the listing and see what they have. By the way, they have different sets even in different colors. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.